When considering what sort of sprayer you actually need, if we start with the baseline or basic entry level, a single spray line on a standard trailing rig, we can then talk about its functions and build on those when we look at other systems. So as a starting point, we're considering the boom width. Now this is a 36 metre, and the tank size, that relates to my number of hectares per hour and capacity of the machine, a really important consideration. I'll be looking at boom stability, but also plumbing. The number of sections that this thing is plumbed into is really important. Particularly if you're going to use auto section control, the more sections that you have, the more even that job will be, and the more chemical you'll save in turns. The other functions on this sprayer we should be really interested in is obviously the tank capacity. That's quite a large tank on this one, 6,500 litres. So you're looking at how many hectares per load you can get out of it. And if you look at your comfortable travel speeds, then you can calculate hectares per hour. The other thing I'm interested in, apart from tank capacity, boom width, is some of the control functions on it. This particular sprayer has proportional valves on the back here. It means I can actually tune the pressure in each section and it'll return the excess to tank. It's a really nice feature. It's not available on all sprayers. But again, looking at what systems are available to make your machine run really well. When we're looking at a single spray line like this, so we're talking about just one line with standard hydraulic nozzles, whether I'm running air inductions or low drift nozzles or even extended range fans in a larger size, all of these nozzles will have a certain operating range in terms of pressure, and that really limits us to about a 5 to 8 kilometre speed range in the paddock. So if you're looking at your comfortable speed, if you slow down below that, these nozzles may collapse or not perform. So when you look at your farming operation, ask yourself very carefully, how big is my real speed range? Look at your maximum speed, your comfortable averages, and how much you slow down for obstacles or washouts, or they might be contour banks, or even going up and down hills. Because if you have a bigger speed range than that, with a single line you'll tend to under or overdose, and that's going to cost you money. It might be worth looking at a different type of spray system.